We've got breaking news on Bitcoin. After enduring a dramatic drop earlier today of more than 12%, it is trying to fight back at this hour. Earlier, it went below the 10,000 level, and that means it was cut in half since its peak of 20,000. Relatively recently. The crypto king right now trading at $10,760. It's now up $360. It had been down pretty precipitously. Before we talk about a bottom, analysts at Citi today say that they see Bitcoin's value getting cut in half again. Right now, what we put on your screen, lower right hand, is the CME futures for Bitcoin. They expire on the 26th of this month. CBOE futures for Bitcoin expire today. Maybe that's adding to the volatility. But we've got a guy who actually bought Bitcoin this morning and invested in an initial coin offering. He's Fox News contributor and Fox Business contributor Robert Wolf. You bought this morning at what price?
I bought at $95.69.
Was that a bottom for the day? It's hard to catch the bottom.
I only bought so I could have a conversation with you on it. I bought very little. You know, as you know, we chatted earlier. I'm playing in two different pre-ICOs right now.
That's initial coin
offerings. And whether Bitcoin is the right venue and platform or not, it's all to be determined. To me, I think that cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's an asset class. But I'm looking at underlying platforms that's using blockchain. So one is in the legal compliance space. I've purchased in the pre-ICO and also in the retail space. So, you know, the question whether Bitcoin has volatility, yes, but I think as an asset class, these decentralized exchanges will be here to stay.
Old school bankers do not like this. Jamie Dimon initially called it a fraud. Now he's coming out and saying, I shouldn't have called it that. Yeah. You used to be the chairman and president, CEO of UBS Americas. When you were there, knowing how risky something like this can be, a new incipient stage, nascent type of currency, would you have greenlit any kind of foreign coin desk on this?
So I would say that I look at it as a little differently. I don't really see it as a currency. I see it as an asset class. I don't think people should be speculating in gold as an asset class. So my perspective is a little different. I think from a regulatory perspective, that's why we're seeing the downfall. You know, when I was president of the investment bank at UBS, we were in 27 countries. There's regulation everywhere. And based on what South Korea is briefly looking at, Japan and China, how they're looking at underage trading, it's going to change the speculation. So we're seeing a dump from weekends.
Okay. And quickly, you know, regulation is the sword of Damocles that appears to be hanging over Bitcoin, from South Korea saying we don't want anything to do with it. China's not only saying they don't want Bitcoin trading, at least one of their top central bankers said that, but also said we don't want any related businesses. That would include blockchain, which is the ledger that legitimizes Bitcoin.
Yeah, blockchain is going to be the future of how we're looking at really decentralizing, using this virtual ledger. And listen, there's going to be speculation in all of these different cryptocurrencies. There will be some that are real asset classes and here to stay. And whether Bitcoin is the future, I'm not sure. But let's recall, they're down 50% from the high, but they're up 10 times from a year ago. Yeah. So there's still a lot of people that are still active.
I mean, we had the list of stocks. There was the Long Island Iced Tea Company that's now called Long Blockchain Company, and it was plummeting 18%. We have some other stocks that we can show you quickly that are involved in either Bitcoin or Bitcoin trading. And if we put those up, you could see that maybe they too are, while still down off the lows, and you can see Social Reality down 10%, Long Island Iced Tea Corp, that's the old ticker, by the way, we should say. It's actually a Long Island Blockchain. But superimpose that over the Dow, we're up 330 points, even though Goldman had its first problematic Q4. Does that worry you for banks or financials?
Well, I think there's a big difference. I think banks, as we go into a higher interest rate environment, the banks are going to do well because their net interest margin will continue to do good. Trading shops, it's a little more difficult in higher interest rate environment because their carrying of positions get difficult. So, you know, Goldman's not necessarily a bank. They're truly an investment bank. So I wouldn't compare them to a B of A.
Big financial, let's call it that.
Glad I'm not in it.
Robert, he's in Bitcoin. He bought it today below 10,000. We'll see what happens.
It will be at 5,000 tomorrow. I'll buy again.
Okay. Nice to be you. Good to see you.
Thank you
so much. Robert Wolf.